Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn off message requests on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open it, and after that go to the message icon on the bottom right of the screen, and after that you go and click on that all on the top right of the screen, and after that click on settings, and as you can see here you have the second option, allow message requests from. So you have three choices. The first one is no one, and that's mean if you are not following that person, he can't send you a message. The second one is verified users. So if you are not following that person, but he is a verified user, he can send you a message. And the third one is everyone, and if you choose that option, everyone can send you messages request. And of course, you should know that if you are following a person, he can send you messages. If you are following a person, he can send you messages. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next